Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. For installation on a side pin with lock arm, you will first need to remove the pre-installed connector and install the P2 connector. Remove your new wiper blade and new P2 connector from the packaging. To remove the installed connector, rotate upside down and push down until it releases. Slide the connector out from the blade. Align the large hole on the side of the connector with the hole on the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade by pressing down until you hear a click sound. Align the connector hole to the pin of the arm. Insert the connector onto the side pin and rotate the blade 90 degrees until the locking tab secures the blade into place. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.